Warm, soft, and so comforting. This homemade Goan Soji is something you'll truly enjoy. Made with simple ingredients, but the result is so satisfying. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. Begin by adding 2.5 cups of grated coconut into a mixer jar. Add some water. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind. Place a strainer on top of a bowl. Pour the coconut paste into it. Since there was some coconut paste remaining in the mixer jar, I added water to it and I poured it into the strainer. Now extract the thick coconut milk. I measured this coconut milk. It is 3 cups. Now we'll place a kadai on medium flame. Heat 1.5 tablespoon of clarified butter in it. Then add half cup of broken wheat. Roast for a few minutes until the color starts changing and it starts releasing an aroma. The warmth, the aroma, it already feels so comforting. Add half cup of warm water. Mix it well. Let the broken wheat cook. I am adding 3/4 cup of chopped sugarcane jaggery. You may add jaggery as required. We'll mix this well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it. Now goes in 3 cups of thick coconut milk. Mix well. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix. Ensure that there are no lumps formed. I am adding a turmeric leaf. It's optional. If you don't want to add it, you can skip it. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Add some cashew nuts. Mix well. By the way, if you like this video, do like, hype, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Once it starts boiling, turn off the flame. Our Goan Soji is ready. Soft, warm and perfectly comforting. This simple Goan Soji made with broken wheat turns out so light and satisfying. Sometimes the simplest recipes are the ones we enjoy the most. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.